At Octavius Wellness Central, we believe that the food you eat has a profound impact on your brain's health and performance. Your brain's neurons, essentially its building blocks, rely on the nutrients you consume to stay healthy and functional. Over time, studies have shown that certain foods and lifestyle choices can enhance cognitive function, boost memory, and improve overall mental clarity. Have you ever wondered what foods support brain health or what you should avoid to keep your brain functioning at its best? Fortunately, research now provides clear insights into how specific dietary habits can directly influence your mental performance and even help prevent cognitive decline. The importance of essential fatty acids. One of the most critical nutrients for brain health is omega-3 fatty acids, a type of structural fat essential for neuron function. These fats form the double-layered membranes of brain cells, regulating how neurons communicate and enabling processes like memory and focus. Unfortunately, many people don't get enough omega-3s in their diet, which can lead to memory issues, reduced focus, and mood imbalances. To support your brain's structural integrity, include foods rich in omega-3s like salmon, mackerel, sardines, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. If you prefer plant-based options, algae-based supplements can be an excellent alternative. Aim for at least 1.5 to 3 grams of EPA omega-3 fatty acids daily, as research suggests this can significantly improve mental clarity and even reduce symptoms of depression. Fueling your brain for optimal function. Beyond structural fats, your brain also depends on glucose, its primary energy source. To keep your brain fueled, focus on consuming healthy, complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Foods high in antioxidants, such as blueberries, spinach, and dark chocolate, can also protect your neurons from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to cognitive decline. Lifestyle habits that boost brain health. While nutrition plays a central role in brain health, it's essential to combine it with key lifestyle habits. Quality sleep is fundamental to both mental and physical health. During sleep, your brain repairs itself, consolidates memories, and removes toxins. Poor sleep has been directly linked to cognitive impairments and conditions like dementia. Ensure you get enough restorative sleep each night to optimize your brain's performance. Regular cardiovascular exercise is another essential factor. Studies recommend at least 150 minutes of cardio per week to improve blood flow to the brain. Since your brain requires a constant supply of oxygen and glucose to function, maintaining heart health is vital for supporting cognitive processes. Foods to avoid for long-term brain health. Just as important as the foods you eat are the ones you avoid. Processed foods, trans fats, and excessive sugar can harm your brain by promoting inflammation and disrupting normal neuron function. Instead, opt for a Mediterranean-style diet, which is rich in healthy fats, lean proteins, and vegetables, and has been shown to reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additional tips for cognitive wellness. Hydration is often overlooked but critical for brain function. Even mild dehydration can impair your focus and memory. Similarly, managing stress through mindfulness practices such as meditation or yoga can lower cortisol levels and protect your brain from stress-related damage. Another fascinating area of research involves the gut-brain connection. Incorporating fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut into your diet can support a healthy gut microbiome, which has been shown to positively impact mood, focus, and overall cognitive performance. Omega-3s and mental health. Omega-3s aren't just good for cognition, they're also powerful tools for improving mood and mental health. Research indicates that consuming at least 1 to 3 grams of EPA omega-3s daily can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. If you're already taking antidepressants, adding omega-3s to your diet may enhance their effectiveness, allowing for lower doses with fewer side effects. If fish isn't your preference, supplements like krill oil, algae oil, or plant-based options can still help you meet your daily requirements. By consistently including omega-3s in your diet, you're investing in both your mental and emotional well-being. Changing your relationship with food. Adopting a brain-healthy diet doesn't mean you have to overhaul your habits overnight. Start small by adding one brain-boosting food to your meals each week. Over time, you'll find that your taste preferences shift, making it easier to enjoy the foods that support your mind. Foods to avoid for optimal brain function. Avoid processed foods, trans fats, and excessive sugar. These can lead to inflammation and impaired cognitive function over time. Instead, opt for a Mediterranean-style diet, which has been shown to support brain health and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Bonus tips for better brain health. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can significantly impair focus and memory. Manage stress. Chronic stress releases hormones that can damage your neurons over time. Practice mindfulness. Activities like meditation can enhance your emotional resilience and mental clarity. At Octavius Wellness Central, we encourage gradual, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle. By prioritizing foods rich in nutrients like omega 3s and antioxidants, staying hydrated, and maintaining an active lifestyle, you can enhance your cognitive health for years to come. Also, we advocate for prioritizing foods rich in omega 3 fatty acids, such as salmon, sardines, and walnuts, to enhance brain health and cognitive performance. Consuming antioxidant rich foods like blueberries and dark chocolate can protect your neurons from oxidative stress, while maintaining hydration and incorporating mindfulness practices further optimize your mental clarity. Avoiding trans fats and processed foods is essential to reducing inflammation and promoting long term cognitive function. With these brain boosting tips, you can nourish your mind and support a healthy, focused, and sharp brain for years to come. Subscribe to Octavius Wellness Central for more science backed tips on enhancing brain health and living your best, most focused life. Comment below and share your favorite brain boosting foods with our community.